Hi everyone, this is U.S. immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori, and in today's video, I want to talk about the top 3 mistakes that you should avoid when hiring an immigration lawyer. So, I oftentimes deal with clients and work with clients of mine that have had really bad experiences with the professionals that they hired to handle their immigration work. And I want to make this video to kind of address some of the main things that I've been seeing my clients do improperly when they're hiring their immigration lawyers. So hopefully you guys find this very, very helpful. So the first thing that I want to discuss is not fully reviewing what's included in your legal fee. This is what I would say is the first big mistake to avoid. And just to repeat it, it's to not fully review what's included in your legal fee. Now, let's say you're applying for a visa of some kind, like let's say like an L1 visa. You want to know exactly what the lawyer is going to do for you. Are they going to handle the initial filing of the petition with USCIS? Are they going to help you with an RFE if there's a request for evidence that's issued? Are they going to help you file the DS-160 and coach you for the interview that takes place? So basically, with different visa applications, there's a lot of steps that take place, and you want to make sure that you know very clearly what services your lawyer is going to provide you for whatever services that you're hiring them for. So that's mistake number one, is not knowing exactly what is included in the legal fee that you're paying. And I've been approached many times by clients that have worked with previous lawyers, and they come to realize that rate that they were quoted on wasn't the actual rate that they ended up paying, because there was many other things that they needed to hire the lawyer for that they weren't aware of needed to be included. So be very careful about that. Okay, so again, mistake number one, not fully understanding what's included in your legal fee. Now, mistake number two that I've seen is not fully understanding what the lawyer that you're hiring's main practices. And I'll explain a little bit more detail. So with immigration lawyers, there's many different kinds of immigration lawyers. There's immigration lawyers that handle employment-based immigration, investment-based immigration, family-based immigration, asylum, removal defense. There's so many different types of immigration lawyers. And you want to make sure that the lawyer that you're hiring has a lot of experience handling the kind of case that you have. If you're going to be applying for, an investment-based visa, you don't want to hire the lawyer that only has experience doing asylum cases. It doesn't make sense. So the mistake that I want you to avoid is to not, the mistake that I'm talking about is when people hire a lawyer without really understanding what type of immigration lawyer they are. And so you want to make sure that you fully know, what this particular immigration lawyer's strengths are, how many applications of this kind they've filed. These are very important details that you want to make sure you know before hiring the lawyer. So that's mistake number two that you want to avoid. Now, mistake number three that you want to avoid is not doing your research. And by this, I know to some of you this may sound very crazy, but I also hear horror stories from former clients that worked with somebody and they just, didn't end up hearing from them. They paid for the services and they just never ended up hearing from the person again. So do your research. And by doing your research, what I mean is just run a simple Google search, or, see what you can find out about the person. See if you can talk to different clients that they've worked with in the past to get a recommendation. You'd be surprised about how many people don't do this, and they get stuck with somebody that, like I said, they pay for the services and they never hear from the person again. So you want to make sure to do your research on the particular person. Find out, are they licensed? Are they a licensed attorney? Are they, what do their former clients have to say about them? What kind of experiences have their former clients had with them. This is very important data for you when making a decision on who to hire as your immigration lawyer. Immigration law and your experience with your immigration lawyer, it's very important that you have a good experience because they're handling something that's extremely important for you. So you want to make sure you do your research. So again, just to recap, there's 3 big mistakes that I've seen from different people, and these are the 3 that you want to avoid. 1 is not fully understanding what's included in your legal fee. 2 is not properly understanding what the lawyer's strengths are and what types of cases they've handled. And 3 is not fully doing the research on the lawyer to know, see what their reviews are and see, what kind of experience other clients have had working with the lawyer. So I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. As always, please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. As always, if you check the description below, you'll see a special link to schedule a free consultation with our office. If you have any questions about U.S. immigration, I'd be happy to offer you a free consultation. You can click on the link below, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much for tuning in.